Ever felt like your home is just a few shades away from being a wellness retreat? Imagine stepping into your living space, greeted by a lush, vibrant collection of nature's finest air purifiers and mood enhancers. That's right. We're talking about turning your home into a sanctuary of health and tranquility with the power of plants. In this video, we'll unveil the top 12 health-boosting plants that promise not only to elevate the aesthetics of your abode, but also to enhance your lifestyle by purifying the air, reducing stress, and bringing a slice of nature indoors. From the sun-loving Aloe Vera to the resilient ZZ plant, we've got the green scoop to help you cultivate a living space that breathes life into your daily routine. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera stands out as a remarkable plant with a dual purpose. It is both a natural healer and an air purifier. Often placed in the kitchen, its proximity is not just for its ease of use on minor burns or cuts, but also for its ability to improve the air quality of one of the most frequented rooms in a home. Aloe Vera works silently, removing common household chemicals such as formaldehyde and benzene, which can be emitted from cleaning agents and cooking gases. This process is facilitated by the plant's unique ability to absorb pollutants through its pores, converting them into harmless byproducts. This feature, combined with its low maintenance and easy care, makes Aloe Vera an ideal companion for any kitchen windowsill, offering both aesthetic appeal and functional benefits. Snake plant. The snake plant, also known as Sansevieria, is a marvel in the realm of indoor plants, known for its robust air-purifying qualities. It has a unique ability to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen during the night, making it an excellent addition to bedrooms for better air quality while you sleep. Its minimal water needs and striking appearance with tall, upright leaves allow it to blend seamlessly into both modern and traditional decors. The snake plant's resilience and low maintenance requirements make it a favorite among those looking to enhance their home's air quality without the need for constant care. Bamboo palm. The bamboo palm, characterized by its lush green fronds, serves as a natural air purifier and humidifier, making it a valuable addition to any living space. This plant is particularly effective at filtering out benzene and formaldehyde, common pollutants found in household products. Beyond its air cleaning capabilities, the bamboo palm adds a touch of tropical elegance to any room. Caring for this plant involves keeping its soil moist, but not waterlogged, and placing it in an area with indirect sunlight. Regular pruning will help maintain its shape and maximize its effectiveness as an air purifier. By following these simple care tips, the bamboo palm can thrive indoors, contributing to a healthier and more visually appealing environment. Pothos, cascading vines and heart-shaped leaves, is not only a hardy plant that requires minimal care, but also a versatile decorator's dream. This plant thrives in a variety of lighting conditions, from low to bright, indirect light, and doesn't necessitate soil, making it perfect for hydroponic setups. Its ability to grow in water or hanging baskets allows for creative displays around the home, from shelves to wall mounts, adding a green, lush element to the decor. The pothos is also known for its air-purifying properties, specifically its capacity to filter out toxins such as xylene, benzene, and formaldehyde, making it as beneficial to your health as it is to your home's aesthetic. Rubber tree. The rubber tree, with its glossy dark green leaves, not only brings a touch of elegance to any indoor space, but also plays a significant role in purifying the air. This plant is adept at removing airborne bacteria and spores, making the environment cleaner and healthier for its inhabitants. The rubber tree is known for its impressive growth potential, often reaching up to 8 feet or more indoors. Managing its size to fit within indoor spaces involves regular pruning. Trimming the top and outer branches encourages the plant to become bushier rather than taller, making it more suitable for indoor environments. This process also stimulates the plant to produce more leaves, thereby increasing its air purifying efficiency. The rubber tree's low maintenance requirements, combined with its air cleaning capabilities, make it a popular choice for those looking to enhance their home's greenery while improving air quality. The Z plant stands out for its drought tolerance and minimal care needs, making it an ideal choice for busy individuals or those new to plant care. Beyond its ease of maintenance, the Z plant is celebrated for its medicinal properties, particularly its ability to alleviate stress. Research suggests that the presence of plants like the Z plant plant in the home can reduce psychological stress levels, contributing to a more serene and wellness-focused living environment. Its thick, waxy leaves not only add to its visual appeal, but also play a part in its stress-reducing effects, offering a natural, calming presence in any room. Incorporating the ZZ plant into a wellness-focused home environment involves placing it in areas where its calming presence can be most beneficial, such as living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices. Dracaena Gold Star. The Dracaena Gold Star is a resilient plant that thrives in dry conditions, making it a low-maintenance option for indoor gardeners. Its ability to improve respiratory health by purifying the air of toxins such as benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene is particularly noteworthy. This plant's striking appearance with its long, slender leaves marked by yellow and green stripes allows it to serve as a focal point in any room's decor. The Dracaena Gold Star's adaptability to various lighting conditions and its air-purifying qualities make it not only a decorative asset, but also a healthful addition to the home. Placing it in a prominent location can enhance the aesthetic of the space while contributing to a cleaner, healthier indoor environment. Monstera deliciosa. Monstera deliciosa, known for its unique split leaves and rapid growth, is a favorite among plant enthusiasts for its ability to humidify and purify the air. This tropical plant not only adds a lush, vibrant look to indoor spaces, but also actively works to improve air quality. Care tips for Monstera deliciosa include providing it with bright, indirect light and regular watering, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Encouraging the iconic split leaves involves maintaining a warm environment with high humidity, mimicking its natural tropical habitat. For those with limited space, training Monstera deliciosa to climb a moss pole or trellis can help manage its size while adding a dramatic vertical element to the decor. Its fast growth and striking appearance make Monstera deliciosa a captivating addition to any indoor garden, offering both aesthetic and health benefits. String of pearls. The string of pearls plant, with its unique bead-like leaves cascading down slender stems, serves as a stunning ornamental addition to any home. Beyond its visual appeal, this succulent is known for its stress-reducing properties, bringing a sense of calm and serenity to the indoor environment. The plant's distinctive appearance can enhance the aesthetic of a living space when displayed in hanging planters, allowing its tendrils to drape gracefully. This not only maximizes the decorative impact, but also saves space, making it an ideal choice for smaller living areas. The psychological benefits of incorporating such unique shapes into your living environment are significant. The presence of the string of pearls can stimulate a connection to nature, fostering a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. By integrating this plant into your home through creative displays, you can enjoy both its beauty and its calming effects. Spider plant. The spider plant is celebrated for its air-purifying capabilities and ease of care, making it a popular choice for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. This resilient plant can thrive in a variety of conditions, requiring only moderate light and occasional watering. One of the most rewarding aspects of the spider plant is its ability to produce offspring, or pups, which can be easily propagated and shared with friends and family. This not only allows you to spread the health benefits of cleaner air, but also fosters a sense of community and sharing. The process of propagating spider plant pups is straightforward, involving the removal of the pups from the mother plant and planting them in their own pots. This act of sharing plants can enhance social bonds and contribute to a collective appreciation for indoor gardening and its benefits. Jade plant. The jade plant, often referred to as the good luck plant, is a succulent that requires minimal water, making it an excellent choice for those seeking low-maintenance greenery. Its thick, glossy leaves and sturdy branches give it a distinctive appearance that can add a touch of elegance to any space. The folklore surrounding the jade plant is rich with symbolism, associating it with prosperity and good fortune. This has made it a popular gift and a cherished decorative element in homes and offices. Incorporating the jade plant into your decor not only brings a visual appeal, but also invites positivity and optimism into your environment. Its reputation as a bearer of good luck adds an intangible value, enhancing the ambience of your home with a sense of hope and abundance. Ficus lyrata. Ficus lyrata, commonly known as the fiddle leaf fig, is renowned for its large, glossy leaves and its ability to make a dramatic statement in any interior space. Beyond its striking aesthetic appeal, this plant plays a crucial role in controlling humidity and trapping dust, contributing to a healthier indoor atmosphere. Maintaining the Ficus lyrata involves ensuring it receives ample indirect sunlight and consistent moisture without overwatering. Regular dusting of its leaves not only preserves their luster, but also maximizes the plant's effectiveness in purifying the air. As a statement piece, the Ficus lyrata demands attention and care, but the rewards are substantial, offering both visual beauty and environmental benefits. And there you have it, a green thumb's guide to transforming your home into a vibrant oasis of health and happiness. By inviting these 12 remarkable plants into your space, you're not just decorating, you're enriching your environment with natural purifiers, stress relievers, and aesthetic wonders. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on living your best, healthiest life, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Until next time, keep growing, keep thriving, and let's make every home a haven of health and happiness.